Hey guys, today we're going to take a quick look at the Bose QC35 IIs. Because why not? Hey Rohan, you know what we never do here at DHRME?
Refer to ourselves in our own videos?
No, what? We don't take a device, use it for a couple of days, and then call it a full review.
That's absolutely right. But in this case, we're doing a short first impressions, which we call a blink review. So let's start off with what's in the box. What I really liked was, it was a very simple unboxing experience. You have the case, you have the headphones themselves, you have the USB cable and the audio cable, a little bit of literature, but that's it. And I actually like the case a lot.
But knowing you, Rohan, would you really use it though?
I know why he's asking, because I never used the case for the MDR1000X and WS1000XM2, but the dimensions were a bit different. They were bigger, the shape was different. This fits really nicely in my backpack. So you know what, I'm leaning towards using this case for sure.
Cool. Hey Rohan, you said the buttons were really tactile. You get used to them pretty quickly, right?
Yeah, and I really like what Bose has done with the positioning of these buttons, because once you put the headphones on and you use the buttons, your thumbs rest naturally on them, and it's very easy to hit them, hard to miss.
Nice. So what you're saying is that these headphones are meant for people with thumbs.
Well, I mean, I guess you could use them without thumbs, but it's nice to have a thumbs up.
But Rohan, honestly though, right? Don't you kind of miss touching your headphones?
What?
No, but I'm serious.
I think you're talking about the touch controls of the WS1000XM2 and the Sennheiser PXE.
Yeah, that's what I mean, yeah.
Yes, that is interesting, because these two have taken different philosophies as to how to control the headphones. But for now, it's not been that long, so I don't feel a major difference. Maybe that's something for the real conversation.
So what you're saying is that they're pretty good headphones.
Okay, just hold your horses. We're still testing them. I did download some FLAC files the other day from httracks.net. Shout out, great site. So I'm listening to music right now.
You just burped.
No, I'm holding in some words.
And what would you say about the camera? Oh, sorry, my bad, wrong video. We do so many videos here at DHRME. And Bose boasts to be the gold standard when it comes to noise cancelling. So how do they fare?
Again, first blink review impression, it sounds fantastic in terms of noise cancelling. They're doing better than my WS1000XM2 are, but that's a very short sample size. Let us test it for a bit more, and then we'll give you the real conversation about it. But here's a point I can already say, even without having a real conversation about it. It is the comfort of these headphones. I don't know what it is, if it's the shape or if the softness of these ear pads, where it just fits around your ear so nicely.
Okay.
And your ear is like
Rohan,
in it, and it's really comfortable.
Yeah, I think they got it. Do you have anything else like noteworthy to mention?
Well, we always diss the Sony on the multi-device pairing, that it can't do more than one device, and not the necessary device. I think the Bose claims to do multi-device well. First impressions, the claims are not quite all that accurate, but that's the first impression. Let me test it for a bit, and you test it for a bit as well.
Yeah. Alright guys, that's been our blink review of the Bose QC35 IIs. Since Rohan pleaded the fifth on most of the points, we're gonna have to talk about the phone quality, sound quality, multi-device performance, and the camera.
Okay. If you guys really want to have any questions answered about the QC35 II, leave a comment down below, and we'll do our best to answer them in the real conversation.
Make sure to hit that subscribe button as well, and click on that bell icon so you don't miss a notification when we do the full review.
You've not been fully satisfied,
and we've been DHRME.